In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up payment collection for customers shopping on your online store. I'm going to assume you've already got your site and store up and your products added. So, head over to the Store tab and scroll down until you see the Payment Methods section. Click on that. Here, you'll see all the different ways your customers can pay when they buy something from your store. Right now on our Xpress site, we have Cash on Delivery and RazorPay as payment options. Cash on Delivery just means your customer pays in cash when their order arrives. This option is on by default, and you can't turn it off now, since you need to have at least one way for people to pay. Along with that, you'll also see RazorPay listed. If you turn this on, you'll be able to take online payments from your customers too. That way, your customers can pay using UPI, credit cards, debit cards, or even net banking. To use this option, you'll have to link your RazorPay account. Just click the Connect RazorPay button. After that, you'll need to enter your RazorPay account's key ID and key secret. Once you've typed those in, click Test and Connect to activate it. If you're not sure where to find your RazorPay API keys, just use the link that says, How to Get RazorPay API Keys. That'll send you straight to RazorPay's docs, where you can easily follow the instructions to get your keys. After you've got your keys, type in the key ID and key secret, then hit Test and Connect. Now your RazorPay account is linked, and you're all set to start collecting payments from your customers online.